Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for AI app access control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing users with AWS Cognito, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Cognito service. Choose Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Click Create a User Pool. Provide a name for your user pool and select Review Defaults to accept the default settings. You can customize the pool settings if needed, otherwise, click Create Pool. Once your user pool is created, note the pool ID. Next, you'll set up an app client. Select App Clients from the left menu within your user pool. Click Add an App Client. Enter a name for your app client and uncheck Generate Client Secret for easier access. Set the allowed OAuth flows to include authorization code grant and implicit grant if you plan to use them. Click Create App Client to finalize your settings. Now, navigate to the Domain Name section in the left menu. Choose a unique domain prefix for your application. Click Save Changes to create your domain. This domain will be used for the authentication process. Next, go to the Federation tab and select Identity Providers. Here, you can configure social identity providers like Google. After setting up identity providers, navigate to the App Client settings in the App Client section. Enable the identity providers you wish to use and configure callback URLs for your application. Specify any sign-out URLs as well. Save changes to apply your settings. Now, you will need to set up a user in your user pool for testing. Choose Users and Groups from the left menu. Click Add User to create a new test user. Fill in the username, email, and temporary password details, and click Create User. Next, implement authentication in your AI application. Install the AWS Amplify library in your project to streamline the authentication process. Use the library to configure authentication by providing the user pool ID and region of your Cognito user pool. Create functions to handle user sign-up, sign-in, and sign-out using the Amplify Auth module. Remember to implement error handling to manage authentication failures gracefully. Lastly, test the authentication flow by running your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.